Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make vegan Crunchie. Check out the snap. Starting off, you're going to want one of these finger molds, which I've greased with some cooking oil. This is just some cheap thing I got off Amazon, no big deal. 2 bars of vegan chocolate, 1 cup of caster sugar, 3 tablespoons of golden syrup or agave, 2 tablespoons of water and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Now on a medium-low flame, be very careful with this, it's massively important. The flame cannot be high. I'm adding in the sugar and the golden syrup and the dash of water in there. With a whisk, once I've got that diluted, I'm going only in one direction, either clockwise or anti-clockwise, choose, but stay with it. Now gradually it's going to start bubbling, the sugar's going to dilute, be patient with it. You'll see it will start going into this heavily bubbly phase, and once you can see it goes a golden colour, start getting everything ready, because this is the moment. Now it's very, very important, once you're at this stage, you've only got seconds to do this correctly. Do not mess it up. Add in the baking soda, give it a quick whisk, it will start to fizzle and sizzle for shizzle. And pour it in. Whatever happens, do not touch it. Just pour it in and let it do its thing. If you try and touch it, you're going to mess it up. I've kept that part in. I could have edited it out, but you're going to see. Even if it's taking too long, like I said, do not do what I'm about to do now. By scraping it, what I've basically done is flattened out a lot of the air bubbles in there, and that's going to create a massive mess. Don't try and fix it. It's just not going to work.
One hour later.
Now you can see this is now dried. Be a little bit gentle with it, but with the silicone mold you can kind of pop them out quite easy. Beautiful people, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like vegan recipes from all around the world, do me a massive favour, hit that subscribe button, it will take you 2 seconds. I'm going to place these on a baking sheet and just let them dry a little bit longer for an hour or so. The longer you leave them, the better. Separately, I've melted the vegan chocolate in a bain-marie or in the microwave, it doesn't really matter, and I'm pouring the melted chocolate into the mold. Once I've got the amount that I need, I'm just going to dunk the honeycomb fingers into there. And also, as a final touch, I'm just going to pour on a little bit more of the vegan chocolate just to cover them up. I've refrigerated that, I've let it set. Now look how beautiful. Up, there goes another snap. Folks, these are absolutely delicious. They're not so difficult to make. Just remember the golden rule. Once it starts fizzing, do not touch. Just pour it in, hope for the best, and it will work. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed this episode, folks. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, leave me a subscribe for more vegan recipes from all around the world. Ciao for now, love you all, see you on the next one.